Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So today I have these holiday Frenchies. I know it's after Christmas, but I did them before Christmas and I just got over to editing them, so I still wanted to put them on. That way you guys can see how to apply transfer foils. You could do any type of foil with this look. So yeah, I'm just super excited to show you guys how I did these and the colors I used. So I went in with Apres natural long stiletto and I just rounded the tips a little bit just to make them look more almond. And these are the foils that I'll be using. They are from IGel and the box number is 990. These are the actual foils that I chose for that set. And then for the color or the base, I'm going to be using the Ombre gels from King of Nail or EnailCoture, and they are BB 69 and BB 21, I believe. So I'll definitely have them linked down below so that you guys can get these because they are so pretty and they have just the perfect amount of glitter. The first one I'm using is more of a chunky glitter, and I use that one because I want it to be seen from underneath the nail, and I'll show you guys how it looks towards the end of the video. It's so pretty. And then I use the one on top because it's a little more opaque, so it's gonna give more of a nude color with a little bit of shimmer. So yeah, that is why I did that combo, but you could do it anyway and it would still come out so pretty. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this part and then I will be back. Okay, so now that we have done 2 coats of each, this is what we're looking like. It's just so pretty, this shimmer, oh my gosh. And then I'm going to show you guys the underneath so you can see what I was talking about. So you can see that chunky glitter all from under and just looks so pretty. So yeah, now we're going to get into the French tips. I'm going to be using the Kiara Sky blank slate. I love this gel so much. It's just really thick and it's very good for artwork, but when you're doing French tips I find that sometimes it doesn't lay flat and I still see the lines that I drew to fill in the French tip. So I do have a little thing that I like to do with gel polish when I'm done with the French. So I'm going to show you guys as soon as I'm done with this French, and I'm going to show you how I do the gel polish, just so that way it's all it looks super flat and clean. And yeah, I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is why I love these gel paints, because look how crisp that French is. So now I'm going to go in with my pure white, and it's just a plain white gel polish, but it's a little more watery. So if you like put it right on top of that French, it just fills in all the little gaps from the Chiara Sky one because it's like thicker, and it just makes it look so perfect and so clean. So yeah, I started doing that when I do my Frenches if I'm using the Chiara Sky gel pods, and it looks so good. Like, look at that. Okay, so now that everything is cured, we are going to get ready for the foils. So I'm going in with an alcohol wipe, and I'm just cleaning that nail really good to make sure that the base part, like the nude part, is not sticky at all, because we do not want our foils to stick to that. We only want them to stick to the white French. So yeah, I'm just cleaning it really good with an alcohol wipe. If you don't have an alcohol wipe, you could just use alcohol if you have like a spray or something, and just like spray it down, or even just a tiny bit of acetone and just like clean it really good. That would work too. So yeah, now that everything is done and the nails are not sticky at all, we're gonna go in with our foil gel, and I'm gonna be using the Makartt one. It's my favorite foil glue. You can get it on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. I have been using this one for a long time now, and I just absolutely love it, and my foils stick so well. So what I like to do is just whenever I'm doing the foils, I'm gonna put the foil gel on. Even if I'm doing like the full nail, just paint it on. But what I like to do is I'll double cure it, because I just feel like when I double cure it, it's that much more sticky, and I make sure like it's fully cured, so it's gonna have that like full stickiness. But yeah, that's just something I like to do. And I did notice that when I'm doing white in particular, it does turn yellow, which kind of like threw me off for a little bit, because I was like, oh no, like I don't want it to look yellow. But if you just let it sit and let it cool down, I think it's just when it's like hot, if you just let it cool down, it turns back to white, and then it's perfect again. But yeah, I for a long time would not do foils on white because I was afraid it was going to stay yellow like how it looks right here, but it doesn't. It definitely goes away. So yeah, if that ever happens to you, that's probably the problem. So yeah, just let it cool down. So another thing you want to do with foils is you want to cut them so that it's perfect enough just to fit the nail, because you don't want to deal with like a whole big piece. That kind of makes it harder on yourself. So after you cut it, you're going to put that foil directly on the gel, and just gently, very gently, you're going to just push and like kind of like use your nail to like kind of scrape that foil design onto the nail. And I feel like that helps so much. And then I just very slowly start to pull it off, and it just sticks so perfectly. Like, I don't know, I love foils now. I used to be so intimidated and like not like foils at all, and then I started doing it this way and like double curing and just like really scraping that foil design onto the nail. It helps so much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the same thing pretty much for the next couple of nails, and then we're gonna get onto these cute little bows that I put on there and just like top it off. It turned out so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys those. And the bows, I got them so long ago again, but I'm gonna be searching on Amazon to try to find them. They're so cute and tiny, and when you put like top coat on top of the bows, it just makes them look so I don't know, like just so bubbly. Like it's just so cute. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys the bows. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest of the nails with the foils, and these are the cute little bows. So I happen to have two of the little bow like grid things, so I got both of them out, and I got all of the red and white ones because I was just feeling red and white, and I thought that was so cute. So I just made like a little pattern out of it, and then I glued them all on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure that and then go in with top coat. And I am gonna top coat the bows as well, and you guys are gonna see why. I'm gonna zoom in, and it just looks so pretty. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. No top coat yet. I just cured the bows, but I wanted to show you guys up close really fast what they're looking like. And this is my top coat that I'm going to be using, the Beatles one. I use it pretty much on all of my sets. It's my favorite top coat. I have a subscribe on them, or a subscription on them, so they just come monthly. They're my favorite top coat. I will have those linked down below. And so now I'm just going to go in with it, and I went around the bow at first because I want to see, and then I went on top of the bow, and I was like, oh yeah, the top coat needs to go on top of that bow because it just brought the bow out so much more. I'm going to show you guys right now. Like, isn't that so cute? Now it looks like a bubble bow. Like, oh my gosh, I am just so in love with these. I'm going to apply them and show you guys how I apply them with sticky tabs, and I'm going to show you what they look like applied and all that, and how they look like in the flash, and yeah, just on my like skin tone. So I'm going to show you guys that as well. It'll be coming up here in the next few videos, but yeah, this is what they look like completed. I am so excited to like put them on. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to teach you guys something. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see, and I will have a video for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.